Morning, Steve Walker, Client Portfolio Manager on nPower's Optimisation Desk on Thursday the 5th of February. Markets opened reasonably flat this morning, with important factors moving forward, including a return to warmer temperatures, good supply availability and continued currency volatility. For more information, please contact the desk or continue watching. Demand has started to drop, with gas pegged at 356 MCM today. It's from above 360 MCM yesterday. UK peak power demand has also fallen by around 600 megawatts today. Current temperature forecasts are mostly unchanged for the rest of the week, around 2 degrees below normal before returning to at or above normal next week. There is some divergence at the moment between EC and GFS model runs, accounts for between 5 to 10 MCM a day difference, the EC being slightly higher. Gas side of things, early predicted closing line pack is currently slightly long, 3 MCM. It's assisted by Norwegian production returning to full capacity, continued good withdrawal from medium range storage. CCGT demand for gas remains just above 40 MCM, and although this number should fall in the coming days, lower renewable generation should keep the call on gas plant reasonably high. Longer run wind forecasts continuing to fall across the front week, with baseload load factors now below 20%. Forecasts overnight are between 1 to 3 gigawatts lower through the period, after reaching around 4 gigawatts this weekend. French interconnector imports are back up to 1 gigawatt this morning, as France also begins to warm and margins improve towards 7 gigawatts. French morning peak margin has been below 5 gigawatts in the earlier part of the week, as France experienced very cold temperatures. Long Gannet units have started to return to service, availability now up to 1 gigawatt. Availability had been reduced by 1.5 gigawatts earlier this week as a result of some boiler problems they're having up north. Spark spreads, however, remain stubborn at current levels amid the stable fundamental outlook. Elsewhere, yesterday saw volatile currency trading, good European PMIs and retail sales, offset by Greek proposals to exchange debt for bonds, which obviously be linked to economic growth via interest rate payments. German factory orders this morning have already impressed, printing at 4.2% versus an expected 1.4%. That's it for this morning's update. Have a good day.